drank. See, there's an egg. But look, I can see more eggs out there. I think he did this when you were asleep. That's one.
I got it.
Yeah, but look, there's more. See? I can see them all out there. There's... Do you want to go and find? Do you want to pick them up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Before Daddy eats them all.
Good morning. That's mine. There's another one as well.
Yeah, there is.
And this one's another one. And there's another one. And that's the green one.
Look at them all. Do you need some help to hold them?
Do you want Mommy to hold them for you?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Wow, there's lots.
Wow. There's more and more.
Who did this? Who put them here?
Look at those ones.
Wow. Go.
There's more chocolate.
There's more chocolate. Here I got.
Wow. Well, what's happening?
Where is it all?
Where is it going?
It's here. And the team.
Okay,
I'm gonna win. What do you mean win?
okay, you got them all? You got all of them? You're going to win? Good. Gosh,
I won.
that's too much chocolate. Is there any more?
That's another one.
Wow.
One.
No, look there.
What's that?
What's that?
That's just it's a truck.
It's a chocolate basket. Who put it there?
A
Mommy.
rabbit. One rabbit
Me?
put
No.
it
No,
there.
the rabbit.
I know who put it there.
Who put it there?
A rabbit.
Really?
What are you
Yes.
going to do? Are you going to leave it there or do you want to take it out?
Leave it there. So it'll be good.
Wait.
No, bring the basket.
I want to have a look.
Okay. And some those ones as well.
Oh,
Yeah, just pull it out.
bring the basket out so we can see it.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, that's so much chocolate.
These.
Wait, here. Pick up the basket, put it up on the table so we can see it.
Wow, that
Oh.
is awesome.
That's amazing.
Ouch.
Oh, let me just put, can I put these here?
Yeah.
Goodness me,
I
that's,
don't want them there.
where do you want them then?
I want here.
Oh, I can't hold them all. Okay, look.
Put these there.
Okay.
And I don't want.
You sit properly so you can
Smile.
smile at Daddy and show Daddy, look.
Let me